The Lion and the Rabbit. Once there was a lion in the jungle who used to kill 2 till 3 animals daily for his meal. All animals had a meeting and decided they went to him to tell that daily one of them will come for his meal. So the lion agreed, and they started going for many days. One day it was the rabbit's turn, and he saw a well on his way. Now he plans to kill that lion and save himself. He tells that lion that there is another lion who claims to be more powerful than him. Then the lion asks the rabbit to take him to the lion. The rabbit takes him to the well and says he lives here. When the lion looks in the well, he saw his own reflection and accidentally jumped in the well and died. Moral of the story is wisdom wins might. If you want to watch more moral stories in English or Urdu, subscribe our channel.